Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can turn off the keyboard sound on your iPhone using two simple methods. So let's get started. The first method is to use silent mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Then tap the bell icon to enable silent mode. Once silent mode is turned on, your keyboard clicking sounds will be muted immediately. However, keep in mind that this will also silence your incoming calls and notification sounds. If you still want to hear your calls and notifications, there's another method you can use. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Sounds and Haptics. Next, tap on Keyboard Feedback. Here, you'll find two options: Sound and Haptic. The sound option controls the keyboard clicking noise, while haptic controls the vibration feedback when you type. To disable the keyboard sound, simply turn sound off. If you also want to stop the keyboard from vibrating, turn haptic off as well. Now your iPhone keyboard will type silently without making clicking sounds or vibrations. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.